Hi queens, welcome back to my channel. This is Be The Beat, if you didn't already know. And if you didn't already know, that means you are new here. And I just want to say welcome. Welcome on into the Platinum Icy Girl, Miss Tina Snow party, okay? And if you are not new here, welcome back, friend. I'm so glad to have you again. So as you all can see, your girl is back icy platinum, okay? She's back, she's better than ever, okay? I get tons of questions asking how I style my hair, how do I get it to lay down, how do I get it to be slick, do I get a relaxer, all the things. And I'm gonna show you how I style my hair, okay? I just literally just bleached my hair. I just washed the shampoo and everything out a few minutes ago. If you wanna see how I got these results, that video is already up. So I'm gonna show y'all how I get the infamous finger wave look, in which honestly my hair is not super long right now. It's not really long enough for finger waves probably. Like, let me just see. Like, we can do a little something, but like, it ain't gonna be nothing like time now. It's gonna be more like a swoop de whoop, not a finger wave. So anyway, if you wanna see how I get fly, then y'all just keep on watching, okay? All right, so first things first, you're gonna need some water. I'm using my continuous spraying bottle by Kinkistry, and you'll need water just to make sure your hair is damp. Like if you're starting from completely dry hair, you're gonna need a spray bottle. My hair is kind of damp right now from shampooing it and conditioning it. Oh yeah, somebody in my door. Sorry, y'all. There was maintenance at my door, but anyway, I think I already told you about the water bottle. And then you're also gonna need like brushes, combs, all the things. I'm gonna use like a soft brush just to get my hair going in the right direction. And then I'm going to use a very fine tooth comb, like very fine. Can y'all even see? The shorter your hair is, the finer the comb needs to be, okay? Like if I use something this wide, it's not really gonna do what I need it to do. Like it's, you see how those, you're gonna see the comb strokes. But if I use something fine tooth, it's gonna do what it needs to do, okay? You're also gonna need some type of like gel, setting lotion, spray, setting spray, something like spritz, whatever you're gonna use, girl. I'm going to use the Dew Most Def setting lotion. It's called texture foam. It's for finger waves. You can also use it on like your long natural hair, your weaves. Like I use this on my wigs, my curly ones. And then I'm also going to use some even bonding spray, just because like I said, my hair is a little shorter right now, and this is going to help those flyaways, okay? And then I'm also going to just grab my Eco Styler gel, just to make sure everything is secure, okay? This one is an 8-hold. I literally only bought it because it's pink. I will not be purchasing this one again. I'm going back to my 10-hold, but it's all good, okay? All of the products I'm using will be linked down in the description box, as well as like my shampoo, my bleaching routine, all the things. Check out my blonde playlist because it's got all the tea, okay sis? That will be linked above and below as well. I'm gonna start off with a little water. Just because like the shorter your hair is, girl, it dries quickly, okay? So I'm gonna just mist it, and I'm gonna start off with a little foam. So this is just gonna get the process going. And y'all, I just eyeball it. I don't have a particular amount that I wanna necessarily use. I just be going for it, okay? I'm not shy with the products. It gets heavy-handed over here. Make sure your hair is coated well, honey. Coat it nicely. Don't be shy. Get it wet in there. And then we're gonna use a considerable amount of Eco Gel. Y'all, I tried a new bleaching method today, so I'm really hoping after my hair dries, it's as white as I usually like it to be. Oh, I didn't even show y'all how much, but girl, quite a bit. Quite a bit. Do not be shy with it. And girl, I really probably didn't need that much in the middle. I really should have just concentrated this on my edges, but we're gonna be set, okay? Just know that this hair ain't gonna be going nowhere. So now is when you're going to take your fine tooth comb, and I'm just going to kind of get an idea of where I want the hair to go. I like a part in my blonde, so we're going to get this started and just separate at the part. Okay, so we went with a little slanty slant today. I'm feeling that. So let's go for it. So first thing, especially like with my hair being shorter, I've got to kind of really dedicate some time to splitting the hair at the part. You got to split that red C-poo. And then also in the crown of your head, everybody's hair naturally kind of does a swirl effect at some point. So you got to find your swirl point and move the hair accordingly. Now that I kind of got everything going in the direction that I needed to, I'm going to just start styling. So like I said, my hair is not quite long enough for straight finger waves right now, but we can do a little swoopy whoop, you know what I'm saying? Y'all, I can show you better than I can tell you, okay? So just watch, listen up. Like, y'all see that? Like, I prefer like just kind of swirls throughout my hair, depending on how my hair falls in that particular section. I don't like to just take my comb and do like this all through my hair. Although that kind of came out fire, it can sometimes end up looking like ramen. So I don't prefer that method. I prefer to do my waves like one swirl at a time. But if that method works for you, friend, go for it. Sometimes I'll do that in the back when I can't see as well. But in the front, I like mine to look a little more custom. Like, see, to me that just looks a little better. So now on this side, I have a cowlick so my hair grows kind of funny in the front. So I gotta kind of brush it back first and then bring it down and do a swirl. Use your finger with this, unless you're gonna do the other method that I just showed that I do not prefer. See, I like to do a mixture of that method with like my own design as well, if that makes sense. So I wouldn't call this finger waves necessarily, but you see the vibes. You can't let them know your next move, you know what I'm saying? Like, see how that just gives more of a mysterious look? Like it's not so uniform. I don't really like mine to look that uniform. That is literally perfect. Okay, let's do the back. Okay, I know y'all saw that magic. I know y'all saw that magic. So if you look at my hair like at this level, if it'll focus, like you can kind of see those flyaways up there. That's when the even spray is gonna come into play. I'm just gonna do like a quick layer of this over top and put my do-rag on. Girl, I thought you said a quick layer. I'm gonna also take a little bit of this. Just a little eco gel. And y'all, this is where I honestly be getting carried away sometimes, and then I be messing stuff up. So I'm gonna stop on my head actually, because I ain't not rubbing stuff in the wrong direction. It's time to put our do-rag on, and honestly, I feel like this is gonna be fire when it's dry. All right, let's put our do-rag on, y'all. I forgot to mention that, but you are going to need a good do-rag. Mine is a little beat up by now, but this has been the best material that I've found. And honestly, this was my brother's do-rag, and I basically took it from him. Like, he let me borrow it one day, and then I never gave it back. So he claims he got it from Walmart, but I have not seen any do-rags as good as this one in Walmart since, okay? And I'm trying to keep the straps, like the bands, as flat as possible so it can hold everything together. That's why it's taking me so long to tie it. Make sure you pull that tail down. You gotta get your inches, sis. And here we are. And now it's just the waiting game, friend. Like, you gotta wait for it to dry, then the magic happens, okay? So I'm gonna check back in with y'all after it's dry and everything, and we're gonna come back for the completed look, okay? Okay, queens, here we are with the completed look. I have already, of course, removed my do-rag. I've done my makeup so you can really see it all come together, okay? And I am so pleased with the results. This is the completed look. Let me just bend down so y'all can see, honey. And like I said, I did film a video on how I achieved this color. So if you have any questions on the products I used, how long I left the products on, all the things, that video is already up on my channel. Also check out my All Things Blonde playlist, because that video has all the answers you need, okay, babe? I can't even lie, I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling my, okay. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned a lot. Comment down below if you have any questions. And also, like I said, check out the playlist, because I have several styling videos, several bleaching videos, all the things. I also have a video where I'm gonna answer all of your frequently asked questions about blonde hair. So check it out. Thank y'all so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next video. Peace and love.